It's evident that there are a lot of unseen places full of tranquility, and undoubtedly, the most thrilling method to discover these locations is by hiking. However, in order to do so, one will need the right equipment, which we'll cover in this video. So lean back, relax, and enjoy our video on the 10 coolest hiking gear essentials available today.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
Here's the Elegear men's t-shirt, a comfortable and stretchy short sleeve tee for a relaxed hiking adventure. Available in different sizes and colors, the t-shirt offers an innovative Japanese technology called Arc Chill Cool technology. This lets anyone's body temperature go off rapidly, allowing its users to stay cool and dry even during those demanding hikes in summer. In addition, smartly blended nylon and spandex fabrics offer four-way stretch without losing its elasticity in longer runs. And obviously, this fabric feels super lightweight, soft, and breathable enough when you wear it. And speaking of breathability, this tee comes with a sweat-wicking nature that evaporates sweat for a fresh, dry, and comfortable hiking experience. With such elasticity, this tee offers its users much-needed freedom of movement, preventing those unwanted scars on skin. Last but not least, this t-shirt is machine washable, eliminating all the hassles of cleaning. So with such amazing features like Arc Chill, non-deforming property, anti-sweat and anti-odor design, get ready to beat the heat in the summer. GOSUN Flatware is the perfect set of utensils to carry with you anywhere. It's a convenient, reusable cutlery set for all your outdoor adventures. With its simple, compact, and versatile design, it's also ideal for camping, picnics, and other outdoor activities, so you can bring it with you wherever you go. It's so easy to use and clean, you can literally fit it in your wallet or purse. The GOSUN Flatware also weighs a lot less, so you won't even know it's there until you need it. If you're looking for a way to hydrate anywhere, check out this MSR TrailShot water filter designed by experienced hikers and backpackers. The TrailShot slim design makes it easy to stash in your pack, and at the same time, the spring-loaded gate opens immediately when dipped into water like a straw, so you can drink directly from sources. A replaceable cartridge can filter an adequate amount of water and offers up to 60 days of filtered water before it's ready for replacement. In addition to the primary filter, the TrailShot includes an extra straw for backcountry use when you need to top off at a stream or river. Whether on the trail or around town, the HOKA Tor Tech hiker delivers lightweight performance when you need it the most. With a slimmer, more responsive fit for better foot strike and reduced weight, as a result, these comfortable and entry-level shoes are perfect for outdoor activities like hiking, backpacking, and so on. The event waterproof membrane protects your feet from light rain and accidental spills, while the booty construction keeps them dry during drizzles. A solid all-around performer with a durable water-resistant fabric upper and lace closure, you need to look no further than the HOKA Tor Tech. If you're looking for both comfort and adventure on your next backpacking trip, Ray Co-op FlexLite Air Chair will please you. With a total weight of just a pound, the FlexLite Air Chair is solid and durable enough to handle even the heaviest loads. This versatile lightweight chair boasts an aluminum frame that can support up to 250 pounds, while its four-leg design provides stability in any weather condition. In addition, its durable water-repellent finish is ideal for use in light rain conditions, and it folds down very easily into the included stuff sack. The Garmin GPSMAP 66i is an easy-to-use and dependable way to navigate your adventures. With a large screen and built-in GPS sensor, you can view the map and navigate to your destination quickly and easily. This powerful GPS unit is packed with advanced features including two-way messaging and Garmin Active Topo-Active mapping for all-around navigation. Plus, you can use the built-in maps to plan routes with ABC sensors, and it has an interactive SOS message to Garmin response. In addition, an impressive power management system offers up to 250 hours in power-saving mode or replaces batteries every 200 hours in normal mode. The Helinox Ridgeline lightweight hiking poles are ideal for trekking and backpacking. With its patent-pending locking mechanism, the Ridgeline can be instantly deployed with one hand and stored in seconds. Layered in durable tungsten carbide and reinforced with an aluminum shaft, the Ridgeline can handle all your questing needs. The rubber tip covers ensure extra grip on slippery surfaces, while the Ridgeline's classic look adds durability to any trip. In addition, its adjustable length allows maximum comfort during extended hikes, while its single-action locking lever allows quick deployment and stowage. When planning a hiking trip, the most essential gear selection one can make is choosing a hiking backpack. The Loowoko Hiking 50-liter backpack is designed for hiking and making the trip safe and enjoyable. Compared to its competition, this one packs value. How? This ultralight outdoor backpack features a superb back ventilation, and thanks to the durable and highly abrasion-resistant fabric, this backpack has up to 50 pounds of carrying capacity, which makes it ideal for weekend hikes as well as for week-long backpacking adventures. And on top of that, there are 8 breathable mesh shoulder straps with plentiful sponge padding that helps to keep stress-free. And unlike the regular competition, this backpack features an anti-gravity suspension and a back panel to eliminate all the backaches. Plus, there are plenty of size options and pockets, including these dual-access side pockets to store snacks and water bottles. Above all, its rain cover keeps the interior safe and protected from adverse weather conditions, making it a perfect bang for the buck. TN Life Mini, a lightweight, compact, and reliable alcohol stove to spice up those backpacking adventures. First thing anyone will notice is its ultralight construction, and we think its 99.9% higher quality titanium build already explains why it's so ultra lightweight. Another benefit of such premium construction is that it won't catch rust or chemical corrosion for longer runs, and has high resistance to extremely high temperature, making it a long-lasting option. Its compact size and weight utilization make it worthy of being called an ultralight gear, while its 90ml alcohol storage capacity can do more than just boiling water. Although it can hold 90ml, but it's recommended to use 80ml for better longevity. Now, if you look further, this alcohol stove features 8 combustion hold points around it, and as a result, this one can deliver a more effective and efficient burn. I mean, 1 liter of water takes only a few minutes to boil. Easy folding mechanism, addition of a new convenient storage bag, and versatile usage options make it a worthy choice to keep in that backpack. The Z-Pack's Plex Solo is an ultralight one-person tent made from durable and waterproof Dyneema composite fabric. With a compact design, the Plex Solo can take your backpacking adventures to new heights. At just over 13 ounces, the tent packs down into a small pouch when not in use, so no more packing bulky stuff into your backpack because it's too heavy. This ultralight tent offers all the features you need to get out in the wild, including a spacious single-person design and durable materials that are waterproof and breathable. In addition, the included repair tape will keep the tent looking like new even after using it extensively in all kinds of weather conditions. So, that was a list of 10 coolest hiking gear essentials available today. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comment section down below, and please share this video if you find it to be helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website at GOOutdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.